Hola, ¿cómo estás? Salam, namaste, konnichiwa, ni hao, privet, kev halik, to all my friends all over the world. Welcome to Entrepreneur Extraordinaire. So you received a bill from the IRS and you owe them money, but you don't have that money. You don't have the full amount. So what do? It's stressing you out. Do you ask friends and family, look into your bank account or savings, credit cards, cash? How do you come up with the money? Well, even if you find the money, you may have some other commitments. You may have to go on vacation with your friends or family. You may have some commitment plans for a wedding. You may have to go buy books. You may have a kid whose birthday is coming up. Now, I'm not gonna waste your time and have you sit through the entire video to tell you that you don't have to pay the entire amount. You don't have to. So calm down, relax, and do not stress. There are many different options. And if that interests you, stick around to learn more. Well, there is good news. You don't have to pay the entire amount, at least not right up front. In fact, you can even dispute the amount, but that's for another video. So let me explain. The IRS has governed a payment plan for you, for people like us. You can be on a payment plan, just like you make payments for your car, for your mortgage. You can also make payments for your taxes. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to walk you through their website, what to read about, where the information is. But more importantly, I'm going to show you a really simple way to download a mobile app on a phone and just do it from your phone. How cool is that? And the best part is most of it is free to you. Yes, the IRS may charge you interest and vice versa. We'll talk about that. Do not worry about it. Now, there are many different options. You can either pay by credit card, you can pay by check, you can do an ACH withdrawal directly through your bank account or your checkings account. The IRS has figured out many different ways to have you give them your money. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go to their website. Go to Google and type in IRS tax payment plan. Okay, you'll see a bunch of links come up. As shown on the screen, you can click on the very first link. Scroll down to read through, what is a payment plan. There is also what are payment plan costs and fees. Click on that link, okay? It will show you all the payment plan fees and costs, okay? There's also a link to the most commonly asked questions. You can also go back to that link and figure out what is a payment plan, how does it work, but you don't have to do that. I'm just showing you this website so you know where to find information in case you miss something in this video. I have a tax professional who works for me, so I have all the information in this video that you need to get on a payment plan quickly. So before we even get there, you need some things, okay? What do you need? You need your ID, you need Social Security, date of birth, your income statement, your full legal name, okay? Whether you file a 1040 or a W-2, you need to know that. So have all this information ready so you're ready to file. So once you have all this information, you can then pull up your phone, depending on if you have Android, you have a Google phone, you have an iPhone. Go to your phone, your Play Store or App Store, and type in IRS to go app, okay? IRS to go with the number 2, okay? You'll see a bunch of links. There will be an app with IRS logo. Click on that. Download this app to your phone. You'll thank me later, okay? Download this app, please. By the way, if you're liking the content so far, and if you find this helpful, because this is a difficult topic to make a video on, but if you like this content, smash that subscribe button, show some love to your boy AK, so I can grow more and make more videos for you. Now, if you open the app, you'll notice at the bottom of this app, there are 4 or 5 buttons or menu items. Number 1 is refund. If you want to check the refund, if you've used Entrepreneur Extraordinaire services and you're getting a refund, you can click on payments, you can click on help, you can also contact them with contact us. So there are different menus. So let's walk through the first menu. I'll go ahead and show you guys how the refund menu looks like so you get comfortable with the application. So click on the refund menu. You'll be taken to a screen where you can enter your Social Security number, okay, your filing status, okay, and the refund amount, okay. So once you enter that, it will take you to another screen where it will actually show you whether your refund is fulfilled, meaning they have sent you a check, or whether it's pending, Now, this site is not always accurate, folks, because IRS, just FYI, is behind in making your payments. I have some clients whose refunds have been delayed for over a year, okay, and they're still waiting on their taxes. They never deny it, but they just don't have enough staff because of COVID and all the situation we're in to pay you the amount. And that's all there is on the refund status tab. Now let's go ahead and click on the more important menu, which is the payments. Okay, you want to get on a payment plan. That's what you want to click on. So let's click on that. So once you click on that, as shown on the screen, you will see 3 different other tabs with links. One is pay directly from your bank. Number 2 is you can pay through debit card or credit card, which is my suggestion, my recommendation. The third option is if you can't pay now, there are other payment arrangements. Folks, IRS is very, very friendly, unlike what they're made out to be. So they can help you find other different payment options. Now, once you click on direct pay, the first menu on that screen, it will be redirected to the IRS direct pay website, which is what you're seeing on the screen. Now, once you get to that screen, you'll see 3 different menu options or drop-down boxes. Okay. Number 1 is reason for payment. Apply payments to. You want to apply it to your, 1040 or W-2, whatever that may be. Tax period for payment. So it may be 2020, maybe 2021. Now, in this case, the option you want to select is payment plan / installment agreements. Okay. Once you fill all these drop downs, these 3 drop downs, you will be taken to a screen which says you have agreed to do a payment plan or installment agreement. So just go ahead and click continue on this screen. Now, the next screen as shown on the screen right now is that IRS offers you 3 payment processing options. Okay. There is payusatax.com. That's a service that IRS uses to get paid payments for Visa, MasterCard, American Express card. That's the one you want to use. And the minimum payment fee is $2.69. It's very minimal. So I would select that option, but I can also show you there's other option, right? There's pay140.com. That's also another option. There's also pay by ACI payments. I would go with the payusatax.com, a 1.96% credit card fees. I would use that option. So once you use payusatax.com, it will take you to their website as shown on the screen. And then you can select from these 2 green buttons which one applies to you. For example, you could be an individual filing taxes, you could be a business filing taxes. So if you click on business, it will ask you, please select a 1041 balance due or the tax year, tax type. You can pick whatever option applies to you. It doesn't really matter. I'm just showing you an example. Like I said, if you are an individual, you'll most likely be selecting your 1040 balance due. Depending on the notice you got from IRS, it should say which form or which balance is due. It will ask you a few more questions, and believe it or not, it will ask you for your credit card information, and that's all there is to it. Okay, I could not get to that screen because I would have to enter my personal information, which I can display on the internet right now. This is step 1, 2, 3. Simple, quick way to make payments from a credit card for your taxes. Now, let's click on the tax help button. It will take you to a menu where you can see, free tax help advice from IRS, IRS free filing taxes. You can also go to prep site locator, which means if you need somebody to prepare taxes for you, there's a site locator which can tell you in your area that you can seek to get help. By the way, you don't have to go there. You can come to entrepreneurextraordinaire.com. The link is below. We can help you with this entire process. Now, they're also available on YouTube. You can go online to YouTube and type in IRS videos for YouTube, and you will see a IRS channel pops up that has over 70,000 subscribers. They also have online tools on irs.gov. They also have a phone number, local offices, the whole 9 yards, folks. So this app is very, very simple. Just to recap, download the app called IRS to Go, and then enter information, your income statements, your 1040 or W-2, your full legal name, your social security number, and you're in. And IRS will send you a notice after that your agreement or payment agreement plan is XYZ. Now, how do you structure a payment plan? And that's up to you to negotiate with the IRS. Of course, they have to approve it, but you can propose a plan. You can say, I want to pay this amount. Let's say you owe $10,000. you can say, I'm gonna pay this amount in 12 months, okay? So maybe $800 or whatever that may be per month, you're making that payment for the whole year. You can also say, I wanna just only pay $500, you know, and it will take me longer to pay that. IRS will take that as well. And every single month, that amount will be deducted from your credit card, okay? You don't have to do anything else. All you have to do is then make that payment for the credit card to the bank that says Chase or Capital One or Wells Fargo, whichever bank you have the credit card from, you're making payments to them. So I hope you guys enjoying this video. If you do, please smash and click the subscribe button and the notification button so you can learn more about how to live a stress-free life. Folks, financial information is so critical, and if you know how to use it, you can really get somewhere, okay? So learn about taxes, learn about finances, and do not stress. If you have any stressful situation regarding taxes, any credit issues, if you want to invest in real estate, you have some money and you have some tax refunds, call us, okay? Contact us. The information and link is below. But here is a really important thing I want you guys to take away from this. I've been teaching this for a long time now on YouTube, because a lot of people on YouTube are not experts in finances. They're not millionaires, they haven't made it. They're posting videos on how to get there. Well, I've already been there, and I'm telling you how to structure your finances. Okay, watch this video called Credit versus Cash, and when to use what. Cash is for security, folks. Credit is for leverage. In this case, you're using leverage, credit, to pay your IRS tax debt. And guess what? You're also accruing some points. You know, if you pay $10,000, you may get a few hundred points out of that. And so there is a return. And you're also building your credit. See, that's beautiful, folks. And I want you to learn that. I want you to benefit from this information, because these days, information is currency. And if you follow my advice, I promise you, you will not fail. I hope you guys get lots of refunds instead of having to worry about payments. If you use Entrepreneur Extraordinaire, we can find you many ways to save money. Until then, I love you all, and we'll see you in my next video. Thank you.